How to enable Facebook dark mode. So in order to do that, head over to your menu, then click on this gear icon right here, click on the search settings, and then just head over and search in here for dark mode. If you can see it already, just head over and click on it. Now as you can see, dark mode has been turned off. So as you can see, we also have in here an option called system settings. So when you choose this, if your phone is actually in the dark mode, then it will use it. So if it's not, then it will stay on light settings. For example, let's choose this. As you can see, it's still light because my actual phone is on the light mode. If you want to do it dark mode, you can head over and then turn your phone dark mode right around here. So let's turn this dark mode. And then once it's turned dark mode, your actual Facebook app will also turn dark mode. Alternatively, you can also just click on this on right here in order to turn it on. So that's how you enable Facebook dark mode. Hope we help.